Welcome to Lunara Learning Hub. Here we learn, we grow, we lead with data. In today's tutorial, I'm going to take you through and design an HR database search engine. Let me take you through the data first. We have the IDs of the employees, the first name, the last name, which has been concatenated. We've joined it. We have them here as full name, the gender, the date of birth, ages of the employees, their contacts. We have their emails here, the location of the staff, departments, job titles, the hiring dates of each employee. We also have the years of services, the employment type, work location of the employees, their supervisors or managers. We have the salary and the status showing either the employee is still with the organization, has left, or the person is on leave. Maybe in my next tutorial, I'm going to work on a sample dashboard to track your leave management of employees. So this the database, the search engine here. We are going to look out for their names from the data, the gender, their date of birth, age, contacts, the email, the department, the job title, the hire date, employment type, the manager, the salary, and the status. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I just majored on key search terms in managing an HR data. So now we are going to apply data validation for the name column. It'll help us select names that are found in that specific column. Then after we apply our structured referencing using XLOOKUP. So now let us apply our data validation to make sure that each and every name that we will select within that specified column comes out with the exact input. So create your data validation, the list, then you reference the source, reference the name column in your employee data. To select the entire column, just hold Control Shift, then your down key arrow. So we have the list of the employees here, all the employees. We have them here. So we have the name of the employee here. We are going to look for the gender of that employee, the date of birth, the age, the contacts, the email, the department, all in reference to the specified name that we would input here. So let us use XLOOKUP to find the gender of this employee. So this our lookup value, our lookup array, which is the column that we would find this employee. We have the full name, then it should return the gender of that employee. Then you select your gender. It should give us the exact item specified in that cell. So we have appear, Abena being female, right? So we are going to do same for the date of birth, the age, the contact of the employees throughout the various fields. Your S look up, you hit your tab, which value, the name of the employee. So in each and every other field, you are going to make reference to the name of the employee. Then the lookup array, we are using structured reference. With a structured referencing, you just have to name the data as an HR data or an employee data or people data. Just make sure you name the data so that whenever you input, you enter the title of the data with an open square bracket, you would have all the other details in that very data popping up here. So you realize that in the employee data, we have the ID, the first name, the date of birth, the all other fields in the data being popped up. So here, the lookup array should be the name section of the data. Then it should return what are we looking for? The date of birth. So we have the date of birth here. So we are going to use the same logic in all the fields. We would have the XLOOKUP with a structured referencing method to get all the information from the data. So we have the various fields completed. So as soon as you select the employee's name, um, let's use Kwame Owusu, a male, the date of birth is here, the age of that employee, his contacts, the email, the department that the employee is in. We have the job title, the hire date, the employment type, the manager of that employee, the salary, and the status. So we have the various fields here. We can confirm here Kwame Owusu. Let us filter the name column. So the ID, the name of the employee, mail, the date of birth, 3rd February 1992, 3rd February 1992. We have the age 33, the contacts, the email, the location, Cape Coast, department, finance, the job title, the hire date is here. So the department, finance, the job title, operations, the hire date, the employment type, part-time, the manager of that employee. You realize that all of them are here. So we have it in the data. So that's your search engine for your database. So let us again select another employee. Use your drop down arrow, any of them, we Kofi Boateng, the details just pop up. Your search engine just gets updated. We have all the details here. We can select another employee. So you have the details popping up as well. So so this is the template. I'm going to leave it in the description section so that you can download. It contains all the field. Here is the search engine here. You can see they are empty because there is no records in our data. Let me do a quick, let me demonstrate how you can use it. So assuming we have the ID of the employee, Lunara Learning Hub or ID, 200,001 for the purposes of this video. The name, so I've already logged the formulas. So you realize that as soon as I entered my first name and the last name, I automatically had it updated in the full name column, agenda. Then the date of birth. As soon as you enter the date of birth, you realize the age is being calculated automatically. Then the phone number, the email, so the departments, we can have IT, the job title. So we have the department, the job title, the hire date, so we have it here. Then as soon as you enter the date for the employee, the exact date that the offer was made, you would have the years of service automatically updated as well. I've created an inbuilt formula to help update any information that you put in certain columns. The employment type, full time, location, Accra, the manager's name, then the salary, you can just any salary, Then the status, the person is still with the employee, the organization. Let's enter another data for, so the first name, the last name, the number, so let us go to the search engine, the pop-up by the employee ID. We have the search information being updated here. So the little changes that I made here was that with the search engine for you to use at your organization, I made references to the employee ID since we have unique IDs for each employee. That's let's use the drop down to search for the other employee with the ID 002. So you have it selected and you could see the information of this employee has been uploaded here. I hope to see you in my next video.